Right then, welcome back, and we're starting off the new year by installing a strong, reliable deer fence to keep deers out of your beautiful property. If you've ever had problems with deer damaging your property, stick around because we'll show you exactly how to install a professional deer fence step by step. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. First things first, planning is key. So before we start digging anything, we want to measure out, set up our lines and mark exactly where each post is going to go. The minimum height of this fence for the deers wants to be around 6 foot tall, going up to about 8. They're incredible jumpers. Again, as I say, we obviously make sure the area is nice and clear before we start setting up our lines, digging our holes, ready for the post. Now let's get these fence posts in. We're using 100mm round posts, which are obviously plumbed and leveled, and then we postcrete those into the ground in place. As shown, we use a string line to work out our line of the fence. You want to make sure your posts are at least 3 foot deep, around 900 deep. Every change of direction, you want to make sure your posts are braced for support. Instead of using ground stakes, we use the tension wire that runs along the top and the bottom of the fence, and this is what the mesh is fixed to as well. This keeps the deer fencing secure and prevents it from sagging over time. So we run a high tensile wire along the top and the bottom, and around every 10 meters we use a wire strainer and shut it off, terminate it off. The deer fencing is then tied directly to tension and wire. Now that the tension wires are in place, we roll out the high tensile mesh and secure it properly using U-pins. Again, we tie it to the tension wire along the top and the bottom, and every, I'd say about 10 meters, we do a termination knot, and this just, in case a branch falls down, it just prevents you from redoing the whole fence in just every 10 meters instead. We're almost done now, so what you want to do is just walk the line and check that there's no sags or any looseness or anything like that. The fence is now fully secure, braced and built to last, keeping the deer out and protecting the property. And that's it. That's a professionally built deer fence to stand the test of time. So just to recap, we cleared the area, set up our string lines and marked out where every post was going. We dug the holes around 900 deep, 3 foot deep. We used 100mm posts, round posts, which were postcreted into the ground. At every turn or every end, we've braced it up with another 100mm post going diagonally into the ground. We've used high tensile wire top and bottom, which the mesh is then fixed to. The mesh is also fixed to each 100mm post. So there we go. There's our deer fence. If you found this video helpful or anything like that, please give us a like, a subscribe, a comment, a share, whatever. But give us a good thumbs up. Let us know in the comment section below if there's anything you would do differently. Peace.